So today we are going to solve this question. It says a student wanted to make 15 grams of zinc chloride. The equation is given to us and we can clearly see that 1 mole of zinc carbonate is reacting with 2 moles of HCl to give 1 mole of zinc chloride and 1 mole of water. Now question asked here says what mass of zinc carbonate? So we have to calculate the mass of zinc carbonate that the student should use to do this reaction and to get 15 grams of zinc chloride, which is our product. So let's begin. Now, first thing first, we'll start with calculation of relative formula mass for our two given products and reactants. So let's start with zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate, we are actually calculating MR of zinc carbonate first. So we know that the mass of the molecular mass, the atomic mass of zinc carbonate should be zinc plus, I have obtained this values from the periodic table. And there are 1 mole of carbon, so we'll use 12 here. Then we have 3 atoms of oxygen, so it's 3 times 16. If we do simple maths, your answer would be 125. Now, let's calculate the MR of our product, which is zinc chloride. So we know that zinc is 65 plus there are 2 atoms of chlorine and we know that atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 times 2 because there are 2 atoms of chlorine. As we know, chlorine is diatomic. So it would be 120, 136. Right? Now in the second step, step 2, we calculate the number of moles of desired product, and here our desired product is zinc chloride. So we learned the formula moles equals, the formula was moles equals mass divided by MR. So this is your mass divided by molecular mass. So I'm writing it as MR. Now mass given here for zinc chloride was 15 grams, right? It is given in the question. And MR we calculated as to be 136. What I have done, I have simply plugged in the values in the given formula. All you need to do is just remember the formula and the steps. So then in our third step would be to use this balance equation to deduce the number of moles of zinc carbonate that are actually needed. So I'm going to rewrite the formula again, the equation again, 2HCl, that would give me zinc chloride, carbon dioxide and water, right? I have simply copied the equation. Now, as you can see, there are equal moles on both sides. 1 mole of zinc carbonate is giving me 1 mole of zinc chloride, right? So we have just calculated the moles of zinc chloride was 0.11. So that means it will be same for both because they are equimolar according to our balanced equation. Then we have to calculate the mass of zinc carbonate that is needed. So in order to calculate the mass, we use the formula mass of zinc carbonate is unknown. This is our final step 3. Now, moles times molar mass. Now, in the beginning, we calculated the molar mass, so it was 125 and the moles were 0.11. When you multiply these two, the product would be 13.8 grams and that is your mass. So if you follow these 3 simple steps, you can easily obtain your answer. I hope it's clear now.